Hello everybody, Romy is here and welcome back to Pixi channel. This is my second video in English, so please be nice with me. I'm very super excited to show how to make a simple and clean car. If you know any dog lover, this car is an ideal gift for them. This car is similar to the one we made in the previous video. If you want to see the video, I let the link in the finished video. The first step I make is blending the distress oxide on my paper. All the products I'm going to use, I will leave the link below. I really love with my distress outside. I feel like I'm doing mixed media. I don't know, but it's really fun to use them. I try to use distress outside like watercolors, maybe because I really like to add some texture to the scene. It's very different when you use and when you don't use. When I make my car, I try to pin the sentiment to... When I designed my car, I thought it was better to add two sentiment. So I don't know, maybe because it's more cute. I already know, but I need to put two sentiment in my car. I know it's not common, but the final result it was better. I use two set stamps to make my card. I use Valentine paper stamp set and wood stamp. The link, remember I left the link below. To make my sentiment, I use black paper and the embossing technique. I really is very different when I use black paper. I love it. I don't know, but I really love when I use this technique. I finished my card. This is the card I have prepared for you. I hope you like it. See you in the next video.